Hello everyone, I'm painting Hyun. Today I'll be painting this beautiful autumn scenery, and I want to make this channel for people who wants to paint easier no matter where they live in the world. If this is you, please subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is a reference image, but I'd like to switch this street lamp shape, and I will remove out bicycle from bottom left under tree. Okay, I start by drawing out the outline now roughly, and I'm just going to draw a line on the 1/3 of ratio point. Okay, it will be looking comfortable painting and draw the focal point, which is the street lamp and winding road and also the main branches. On the left lower, draw a small tree, and on right hand I'm going to draw street lamp. I don't want to sketch every single shape, but you will be able to understand and follow my tutorial step by step. And I also draw 2 more street lamps on the center. It's going to look smaller and smaller. And I drew the branches of the tree roughly on the top. And I have my palette here, so I'm going to use a sort of yellow, orange, a sort of brown and blue color. I want to wet my paper with calligraphy brush first. In the painting, I'm going to use wet on wet style. So apply water on the paper fully, but except the biggest lamp area and the tiny space of the edge of the road. I just spread some water on the paper as well. Again, tilt the paper. And wet the paper again. I wanna wetting the paper fully, so I'm going to use the wet on it style. Tilt the paper. And I'm starting with a mixture of indigo and phthalo blue for the sky area and the road. Wash the paper and take light bluish color, put on there 1 time or 2 times, and clean the palette and take some yellow color, mix orange, and I put on the sky area the mixture of orange and yellow color. Also put on around the street lamp area. And also put on the middle of the paper area. I'm just going to spread this out on the top of the paper and down the area of the paper, and take some orangey and mix brownish color. So for the 4 leaves, so put on the sky area as the second layer. So I put on into the yellow color, so they will mix and bleed together. Next, take some thick color. So I need some brown color. So put on the orange color. So I take some thicker consistency color, put on the leaf area. Then I put on the consistency of color for this, because I want to gradually add a darker value step by step, and I drew the branch with the same color, dark brown color. Still, this paper holds a lot of water, so I'm just using the tip of the brush. And for the small tree, I drew some branch with yellow ochre mixed brown color. And take some orange color, put on the ground area here and there. And I'm going to get a mixture of sap green and orange, the both sides of the foreground. And I will splash with green color and orange on the top of the tree and both sides of the foreground. So I want to get some abstract effect on the foreground and tree area. I want to draw some branch with the darkest color one more time. Still, this paper is not dry yet. And I'm draw some tiny branch here and there. And I'll be back when this area dries for drawing in detail part. Okay. And next, move on to the middle of the center area. And I'm adding on middle of the paper for distance trees. And on the left tree, I'm just going to adding some leaves and branches. I'm doing this loose style for the small tree. So still this paper holds a lot of water while I'm adding some colors. They still bleed and blend color together beautifully. And I draw some glasses on the front of the tree and street light area. And I'm going to draw some street, side street block and trunk and make some depths on glasses. And I'm going to break out some minutes because this paper is still wet and wetted, so I will dry it until the paper comes back flat. So I'm going to use hair dryer, or you can use dry with naturally. Totally is up to you. Okay, I'm back. Paper is dried fully. We are going to draw a street light. Take a sort of blue, draw street light on one by one. I just start with a smaller size. In the street light pole, draw a straight line top to bottom. Draw a straight line is a bit difficult. So when I draw the tiny lines, I usually hold my breath and breath after I finish drawing the lines. I'm using the mixture of brown and blue color. Finally, I'm going to add some leaves as I get toward the lower branch. I'm using thicker consistency to paint the end of the leaves a bit more. The leaves will make to stand out, so I want to make stand out with this leaf. So I'm using tiny brush and use thicker consistency of colors. And I paint more leaf texture here and there to create depths in the tree. For the foreground, I used the splatter technique with brown color. And I thought to finish it here, but then I want to touch it one more time for the further tree. So I take some little bit lighter consistency of color, put on middle of the center, middle of the paper area, draw some branch and trunk with the little bit thicker consistency of color. Next, the final touch up for the foreground area and road area. I got some brown color put on the tree, and I got some bluishy gray color for on the road area. Okay, we are all done. I hope you had as good a time as I did. Don't forget subscribe and hit the like button and bell. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you at the next video. Bye.